Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hello traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index hovered near 98.8 on Tuesday, showing little movement as traders weighed the latest global trade developments and shifting monetary policy expectations. The dollar came under pressure last week after a weaker than expected July jobs report reinforced expectations for a Fed rate cut in September, with markets now pricing in over 60 basis points of easing by year end. WTI crude fell below $64.5 per barrel on Tuesday. OPEC Plus's decision to raise output overshadowed the potential impact of tighter Russian supply. On Sunday, the group agreed to increase production by 547,000 barrels per day in September, reversing earlier cuts. Meanwhile, the US is pressuring India to halt Russian oil imports, with President Trump vowing to sharply raise tariffs on Indian exports, which are already subject to a 25% duty. These developments stoked fears of further disruption to global supply flows. Gold prices edged higher on Tuesday, with spot gold trading near $3,378.5 an ounce, extending its rebound from last week. Weaker US jobs data strengthened expectations of a Fed rate cut in September, while Trump's pressure on India added to safe haven demand. The disappointing jobs report weighed on the dollar and boosted gold's appeal as a hedge against economic uncertainty, reinforcing its role as a safe store of value for cautious investors. The yen traded around 147.50 per dollar on Tuesday, holding recent gains after the Bank of Japan's June meeting minutes signaled policymakers remain open to further hikes if trade tensions ease. However, board members still view current rates as appropriate amid lingering uncertainty. Finance Ministry officials stressed the need for flexibility, particularly in managing bond purchases, to stabilise markets. The euro held above $1.15 on Tuesday, rebounding from a 7-week low of $1.139 reached earlier this month as the dollar weakened on disappointing US jobs data. In response, President Trump dismissed a senior Labor Department official, adding to market uncertainty. Currency markets now anticipate 2 Fed rate cuts this year, while the ECB is expected to hold steady, even as Eurozone inflation in July came in slightly above forecast at 2%.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.